Here with another live video titled, Forget DoorDash and Airbnb, this is the IPO to watch this week. It's not that I don't like DoorDash. DoorDash is coming out now. I'm watching CNBC. It opened just a little while ago at around 188. It's trading at 182. It's supposed to open up at 102. Put that in perspective when we look at DoorDash at a $38 billion valuation at 102. Came out 180, so do the math, maybe a little bit over $70 billion valuation with sales of $1 billion over the past 12 months. So, being valued at 70 times sales right now. To put that in perspective, Netflix is being valued at 10 times sales, right? People think that's expensive. It's pretty crazy times, and it's tough to buy this stock all the way up here for people who aren't involved in the early process or accredited investors. I think you're going to see the same thing with Airbnb. They're coming out, I believe, tomorrow, $42 billion valuation. Same thing's going to happen. You're going to see that price rate come out at around $60 a share. I wouldn't be surprised if that opens up over 100 the way things are right now. But their sales are around $3 billion at a $60 billion valuation, so I think it's a better buy maybe than DoorDash if you're looking to get in. But those are the two names that are getting all attention. A name that's completely under the radar I want you to focus on. That's coming out, it's supposed to be Thursday, maybe Friday. I think it's tomorrow. Okay, let's cover this company. It's called AbCellera, right, based out of Vancouver, Canada. This is a company that has a machine learning drug discovery platform that finds antibodies that can be developed as drugs. I know it sounds like a lot. They basically have an AI platform that's being used by major companies. They're under contract with 26 partners. They have 94 discovery programs that are either completed or in progress, right? 25 million in sales past 12 months, 13 million in free cash flow, solid balance sheet. Should come out around $17 a share. Look at these partnerships for this company. This is pretty amazing. I like that website too, which is pretty cool. I mean, look at these partnerships. Lilly, Novartis, Pfizer, Kodiak, you guys should be familiar with if you have a Curzio Venture Opportunity subscriber. We're up well over 100% just a few months on that stock, 130, 140%. I mean, this is Merck, Gilead, Bill and Gates Foundation. You have Glaxo. I mean, these are some really, really big partners. They also have a drug for COVID as well to help them with Lilly. This is an amazing company here, and I think you should be focusing on it because you might get a little cheapy. It's under the radar because DoorDash and Airbnb are getting all the attention. They're going to come out at levels that are pretty crazy. We're in a bull market. They're probably going to go higher. This is one that's under the radar that has amazing fundamentals, that's really, really strong, and I'm not hearing a lot of people talk about it. So, guys, definitely, if you're interested in that company, it's ABCL, I think, is the symbol, and I'm probably going to look to buy it depending on where it opens up. And also, real quick, if you want to catch us on YouTube, just had a fantastic podcast with Frank Holmes. We videotape all of our podcasts now, which is great. The videos, everything. So you can find that at Curzio Research YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe. One of a few people out there that are doing full video podcasts, and it's going to get better and better. Whiteboards teaching you guys, sharing our screens. Really, really awesome. So definitely check that out. Frank Holmes is our guest. He's going to tell you why Bitcoin and gold are both going to double from here and gives you at least 10 ways of how to play both of those trends that anyone can play, right? Any individual. You don't have to be a credit investor. He always shares a lot of ideas, but that's going to be available later on tonight on our Curzio Research YouTube page. I'm Frank Curzio. As always, I'll report back to you guys soon. Take care.